Hey guys, in this video how to get your headlight from this to this. Stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, yeah, this is our oxidized headlight. You can't really see it right now, but yeah, the camera angle is definitely not giving it justice how hazy it is. And this is the one I already did. Of course you can probably see the difference. This one I already done, and I'm gonna show you how to do this one. As you all know, there's maybe a lot of videos on how to clean a headlight. There's also one by Chris Fix, the biggest automobile YouTuber on the platform right now, and you know he has two methods. And I'm gonna incorporate his method with what I'm gonna show you to do. So let's begin. So I'm gonna show you some items that we're gonna use today. First, we're gonna start off with some assortment of some 3M sandpaper. First, you're using this 800 grit. Then I'm gonna go up to 1000. Then I'm gonna finish it off with the 2500. Next, I'm using this compound, McMyers Ultimate Compound. I'm gonna finish it off with some wax. I'm using this off spray. You'll see how I'm gonna use it. And you just need some water, spray water, because you're gonna do some other wet sanding. So first thing you wanna do is tape around the edges, because you don't want damage to your paint in your surface. We're gonna lift the hood so we won't scratch the top, so we'll take this paint around it. As you can see, you can't really see it, but there's the haze difference. Always gonna tip everything up. Small amount of tape. Okay, got it all tipped up, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use the off spray for, because we're gonna try to take off as much of the stuff you've seen off work on headlights before. I'm gonna use this before I take off all the heavy grit and oxidization on it. So I spray it on, and you can immediately see what it's doing. You can immediately see how it's cleaned the headlights. And then you just want to take a lint-free paper towel. As you can see, it's already destroying what the headlights are, and just as you can see, this is all the oxidization that's coming from the headlight. I'm just gonna keep spraying it. As you can see, it took off a lot of oxidation that's on it, and we did this before so it won't clog up our sandpaper when you're doing the wet sanding, because right now it looks good, but this will not protect or even shine it as much as we're gonna do. So you can see it looks pretty clean, right? As you can see, it's pretty much clean. We're going to prepare for the wet sanding, so we're gonna take a wet first, really, and we're gonna use our 800 grit sandpaper. I'm just gonna nice and fresh, and we're going in sideways motion first. You can see a yellow paste on it. That's good, that means it's working. And we're gonna keep sanding. And after we're done with the sideways, we're gonna go in an upward motion now. You can see it's a whole lot of cloudiness. So what we're gonna do is just spray it off and then wipe it off. Just wipe this out, and it's gonna get cloudy. As you can see, real cloudy. Now all you wanna do is get our 1000 grit sandpaper and wipe it off. You can see it's starting to get pretty hazy right there. That means we got our scratches out. Now we're gonna wet this again. Also wet our sandpaper. And then the same motion, sideways. That's done. We're gonna wash it off. get pretty hazy. Just wipe it off. It's beginning to get cloudy, and that means where scratch I begin to thin out. Now in the final step, we're going to use this 2500 grit sandpaper. I'm going to do the same thing. As you can see, it's got real hazy. You can barely see through it. It's got real hazy. Now, in the final step with the 2500 grit sandpaper, and this same thing. Apply with some water, some easily, and then we're going to sand this down. I'm just going to apply more pressure. And that was the last step. Now we're going to take our clean microfiber cloth and then wipe it off. That was our final stage of sandpapering. Now what you want to do, our ultimate compound, and rub out this fine abrasive. In Chris' video, he used toothpaste, but we're going to use this Maguire's ultimate compound. Now we're going to move out using the ultimate compound and application pad. Across the stick. I'm doing this by hand, but you can use a machine or get these kits they sell on Amazon, but I'm using my hand, also applying it on my pad. I'm just going to keep rubbing, applying some pressure. And now that we've done our compounding it, we're going to take our buffing towel and just buff it up. This looks great. Now what you want to do is protect it. Normally we spray this with some clear coat spray, but I'm going to protect mine with some wax. So you're going to take your wax and then apply it. I want to wait till it gets hazy and it comes off. See, our wax now dries, so we're going to buff it out with a microfiber towel. And then buffing it out, and we're done. With this tape, I'm pretty much done. You can see this looks like this. So guys, that's how you clean your headlights and make it almost new again. Like I said, you can spray the gloss to protect it, but it looks good. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.